Hi there guys, Chris Gans here with JHB Group, the leader in public safety solutions and training innovation. I'm here with a brand new fire safety simulator that is going pretty far away. It's going to Alaska. This is being built for Central Matsu. And this is a new fire safety simulator with a completely outdoors wilderness type theme that fits Alaska perfectly. This fire safety simulator has a lot of our JHB Group features. That includes ADA accessibility, solar charging, an advanced power system. This has the immersive barbecue grill prop. It has our kitchen, bedroom, and heated door elements, and also an awesome and very unique porch that I'm standing in front of. This porch, one of the cool things is it actually has what looks like a wood-burning stove that is a real heating element. So now we've added another heater to the entire prop so that way for year-round events, they can stay warm and toasty up in Alaska. Everything we do here at JHB Group is custom. We want to make sure that the educational elements that are part of this unit speak to the participants that are going through it. So we want to make sure they can feel and see things that they're familiar with from their environment and their community. This is Alaskan as it gets. So it has a very outdoorsy theme. It's a little log cabin-esque. It has a wildland component, but it is designed to hone in on the Alaskan spirit in every way, shape, or form, and it looks fantastic. The Wildland Fire Safety Simulator allows us to merge our residential fire safety education with the needs of a new wildland component. That allows us to get outside the unit, create an immersive and engaging educational activity, not only for safe distances, fuel mitigations, but also it can marry with the residential needs of the interior. Now we also have the capabilities of creating interactive exhibits that allow some of the wildland initiatives to come to life. On behalf of everyone here at JHB Group, we want to thank the Central Matsu Fire Department for choosing JHB Group to build their new fire safety simulator. Reach out anytime, we're here to help.